Hey, hi, hello, good evening. This is Simboy here, and I would like to explain. I want to explain some things about the website because you might not. I don't know if you are going to understand this, but I have fixed the error you were seeing initially. Um, I it was just a minor issue. It doesn't really have anything to do with what I did initially. It was just different URL. I was working with agents yesterday, agent URL, but I never knew there was something like this again, so I fixed it. You can see it's been fixed here already, so everything is okay now. Now, the reason I'm making this video is to explain something else to you, so that you don't get confused, and I hope I can answer this question once and for all. So the thing is this. So now this website is going to work with every link because I fixed every link that is related to your listing, so that the issue doesn't have to come up again. Like I said initially, I was only fixing for agents. Now I've fixed for everything, buyer listings and everything like that. So that being said, I want you to know that it's very important. Is this recording? Okay. I want you to know that it's very important that your users, they must fill out this particular section, agent name and brokerage. Okay, because this area, it only sees these two things, agent name and the brokerage. Um, if you look at your listing here, there's a particular person here without this information, and this might look like, oh, this is another issue, please look into this. So before we get into, if you before you think it's another issue, I want to answer that question straight up. So we have one here, and I think we have it again down there, as you can see. What else? We have it here again, and where else? So why do we have this? Okay, real quick. So when you go there, I'm going to use this for an example. If you go there like that, okay, you realize that this person here does not have this information. And if you go to their editing and you go to their information, I'm going to copy this information and I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to paste it. Let's go back to people, and when you search, I think I added this search yesterday also, I'm not sure. So when you search this particular person, you can see the name is there. When you click there, you go to their agent or YouTube profile. You see it's not there. So if this is not there, this is not going to populate. It's not going to populate in the buyer listing. Okay, it's not going to populate in the buyer listing. Oh, where's the buyer listing? Okay, it's not going to populate in the buyer listings too. So I just think I should inform you just before, so that I don't get confused. So if anybody is asking you this, especially your realtors or your agent, I mean, please let them know about this. I'm going to make an example again. This person they don't have this information, so you tell them to fill in this information. You can see, or you can help them to fill it in. You can see it again there. Okay, so when they click on this, if we go to this buyer again, and I search, and you search for this, okay, you go edit, you go to their profile here, you see they don't have it, so you might want to tell them to fill this information so that they can have this in for their customer, for your listings. So I just think I should point this out already. But aside from that, everything is fixed. But of course, if there's nothing you're not clear about, please send me an email, send me a text. I'll be happy to help you. Have a nice, wonderful evening. Thank you.